Okay, welcome back. It is day 207, I think, of coding every day. I wanted to clarify that I do, in fact, have a job right now doing research. So stop commenting on my videos saying I'm cooked. It's, I'm still a student. I still have a full year left. I am doing something this summer. Okay, it's not up to the standards of the series of like a full-time like tech job is the goal. Okay, so I'm not cooked. But yeah, I thought I'd maybe I should put like a little intro in every video that says like a disclaimer so I don't keep getting comments of people like saying I'm cooked or damn, that's a lot of days being unemployed. But yeah. Um, anyways, went to a clinic today for people with ASD and got to like observe. Um, didn't learn much from it, won't lie. It was I don't know. It was we like went to one last week and like everything that I needed like answered was pretty much answered there. Everything, but it was kind of funny that everything that like I asked at the first one was just reiterated at the second one, so at least it's pretty consistent. But yeah, so that was kind of a big waste of time because it was like an hour and a half to get there because of traffic, and then it was like another hour, not an hour, maybe like 50 minutes to get back, and then we spent an hour and a half there. So it's a big chunk of the day, and so yeah, so didn't get much lab work done. As for the actual like research portion, I literally probably got 2 hours of work in today in the lab, and all I did was really clean up some of the animation and movement scripts. I still have to look at my mentor was supposed to send me a paper on CSI, like Wi-Fi radio frequency collection, because my current Unity simulation like replication of that is a little off. Not a little off. It's very off, but like it's never gonna be very on. So we'll have to see about that and just what will change. Hopefully it's at its final state by like early next week. Because I'd really like to have something trained by the end of next week. I did say I wanted to do it this week, but this week is just the last 3 weeks we've had so many like group outings that it just cuts into like the main parts of the day, which suck. Like I'm most efficient like 9 a.m. to like 3 p.m. and we do stuff like almost every day now between those times. So um, we'll see. I do want data collection done like for training a model, hopefully early next week, and then later half of next week will be training, and then you know go from there. There's still so much IoT stuff I need to like simulate, and so we'll see in other detection methods through other sensors. So yeah. As for like the actual leak code, it was a very simple leak code. The wording was crazy. Um, to me, I don't know. It was like given a subset array of this array, go through the subset array and check the corresponding element in the other array and find its next greatest value to like the right. So you loop from where it is to the end of the array and just see if there was a greater element, add it to the like the return array, and then return that array. So pretty simple. Again, I need to challenge myself more with these, but it's like I'll be in the lab or just I'm just doing stuff all day. So it's like I get back and I'm just like I do not want to do like not a hard, but like even like a hard medium on a topic that like I'm not too familiar with. But I need to start because applying and interview season's coming back up. So yeah, we'll see. But that is all I have for today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 208. Yeah, take care. Bye.